Question number 38. Two nuclides are different isotopes of the same element. Which statement about the nuclide is correct? What is a nuclide? A nuclide is an isotope. What is an isotope? An isotope is nothing but it has the same proton number. It has different neutron numbers. When I say the atoms are neutral, which means proton number should be equal to electron number, but neutron number should be different. Okay, let us understand this. Neutral number of the nucleides have the same number of electrons. Same number of electrons. Definitely it is correct, right? It's correct, because if I have two nucleides, x1 and x2 over here, x1 and x2, they will have the same proton number, they will have the same electron number, but this neutron number will be n1 and n2. Okay, neutron number should differ, proton and electron number should not differ if it's a neutral atom. So option A is the right option. Let us read the rest of them. Nuclei of the nucleides have different number of protons. Wrong. Nuclei of the nucleides have the same number of nucleons. Nucleons, no, because proton plus nucleon is nucleon, right? See, this is proton plus neutron will give you a nucleon number. Nucleon number will change. Okay, nuclei of the nucleides will have the same number of neutrons. No, this actually differs over here. So there will be n1 and n2. n1 will not be equal to n2. So that is what you call as a this one isotope, right?